In this video, I'll show you how you can connect WordPress to n8n. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So click on Add First Step in n8n and then choose WordPress and select it. And from here you can either choose from triggers or actions. So let's say create post. I'm going to choose this action. And from here click on select credential. And you need to create a new credential. So click on it. And from here, you need to paste your username and password and also WordPress URL. So go to your WordPress and click on users on the left side, then choose all users. From here, as you can see, this is your username. So I'm going to copy my username. Then click on it. From here, scroll all the way down. And from here, you can set your password. So let's say it's going to be n8n password and click add application password. And this will generate your password for n8n. So click copy, then paste it here. And then what you need to do is paste your URL. Just copy this URL and paste it here. Click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. And that's how you can connect n8n to WordPress. As you can see, it's working. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.